On the 3rd of August 2023, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had inaugurated the office space of the Meghalaya State Education Commission at the MBOSE office in Lower Lachumiere, Shillong, in the presence of the Education Minister Rakkam A Sangma, advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, Education Department Hima M Shangpliang, and members of the Commission that included Advisor David E Syiemlieh, Chairperson Sherwin Sungoh, and others. The Chief Minister also attended the first meeting of the Commission members to give insights into the reality of education scenario, lay down the vision as a government, and to encourage the members to work as a team to enable practical and tangible results. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma stated that with a vision to bring reforms in the education sector, the government made the decision to constitute the MSEC to give direction and to align developmental goals with the future of the youth at the focal point. He added that while the education sector in Meghalaya has accumulated many challenges over the years, yet it is hopeful that the Meghalaya State Education Commission, comprising a few of the best minds in the state, can together work out a practical solution to overcome such challenges.
We'll have to figure out how to. I understand, but I think we need to be a little bit more organized. As you're aware that the Cabinet had decided for the formation of the Education Commission, and the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed. And I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way. And just after the inaugural meeting, they will be sitting for the first official meeting. And I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions. And hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state. So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers and schools. Then obviously looking at the quality factor, the overall aspects of how technology can be implemented. And so it's a very wide scope of reference, and therefore it incorporates almost every aspect of education.